Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the Arash channel, and I say Arash channel, Arash rapper. And then in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove the Lexus GS 2013. I think that model I do have. Door handle and then door trim for the rear door. And the reason I decided to do it because it's very weird and then also different than other car. That's why I'm gonna make it for you and then show how to do it. I figured it out already in the other side. Actually, this is my first Lexus I did work on it. I start on it and I never work it. And so if you are new here, please subscribe the channel, turn on the notification to not miss my video. Let's get into it. We having the one screw here, one screw under the disc cover, and then another one here for the window switch. One, and then remove the disc cup. Oi. Disc cup, and another screw here. When you use the drill for those things, do it really slowly. Don't put it on the high power. And then for remove the disc switch, started from with the trim remover, pry tools at the corner. Try to find the gap. Having the few things like these both sides, and then another screw here. Door is free. Just grab it. Here is a little bit hard because I don't know what they call it, the rubber between the window, it's coming out with the door trim. This one, and then disconnect all the harness. Okay, that's how you can remove the door trim. So let's go for for door handle we have two steps. Step one, just removing this plastic cover, okay, and then take this yellow hook, just slide it to the left, and then in this area, I don't know you can see or no, let me zoom more. Okay, in this area, that hole, having the one plastic tab actually have hole on it, you have to find that hole and then slide it to the left side. That is a little bit hard. And from here you're having to do two tab. This is the tab, okay? when you do like this one coming out, and then it's coming off of this holder for the keyless. And then second step, so usually all the door handles should having the one cup here or the one hole here, but this car doesn't have it. First you need to remove this cover. For removing this cover, having the one screw here, and then grab this one. Is all like the door pin is the sticking with the key. Those are push pin. And then first let me try it, test it. So baby lock nut on, and then you need to remove the door latch. First disconnect this connector, and then here star shape torque 30. Usually for those, first do it really gently, because usually getting grind super easy. This one. And then push this one in. Okay, the latch mechanism gonna go down, and let me bring the camera to this side. Another torque 30 here. Okay, I think you guys can see. And then this one also have a holder. Okay, that one got loosened. And then already you can see this cup came out. That one, and then slide the door handle out, and it got free. Very complicated and then different. My video actually going to be very helpful for the who wants to do the DIY, or like me first time working with the Lexus. That's how you can remove the door till all this process only for that one. So please like my video, subscribe the channel, and I gonna see you guys very soon. If you have any question, comment below. Take care. I gonna come back. Bye bye.